Now, for now, we have seen about how to fit how to say naive analysis and also the random intercept model, and we also learn how to fit the random slope model. So we can see step by step for different things. I'm just loading the data, the same data what I have explained previously, which has total cholesterol for patients, and also the doctor level is there, and institution level is also there. So we have seen this one, which is nothing but the intercept model. So now what this thing is, random intercept model with two levels. So now we have two levels, like doctor and also institution. Now, can anyone explain what is the change in with respect to the intercept model and slow to intercept? Because previously I gave one intercept. Now I have given two intercept. Institute. This is the only change that you have to do.
Multilevel only that.
Yeah.
Institution will be the extra thing.
Yeah. So it will provide intercept with respect to both a medical doctor level and also the institution level. Now,
what is that ML, sir, you are saying?
ML. Maximum likelihood. It is a method for used for estimation. So in the results you can see here formula, random effect, intercept for doctor level, and also intercept for institution level, and their results is there.
Now what is say 0.429 standard error? Variable is exactly same. So therefore raises the question whether what is taken so far, is it because of the doctor or is it because of the institution?
Since the same here, there is so much difference between.
So therefore looks like both are same. So therefore the one point is that we don't have to consider the institution, or we can interpret that the doctors are coming from the same institution. It's an institution effect, not doctors.
Who decides basically whether to report the findings at the institution or this is basically statistician decisions or like the clinical?
No, you have to decide.
Yes.
Let's discuss it. Because what the same means there are two interpretations. One is doctors are coming from institution. What we are studying so far, we said the doctor level is necessary. To me, it is not doctor level, it should be institution. So far, we have been saying this doctor level is necessary. Or sometimes they will say, what are saying this ignore the institution. Is that right? We agree with me? Yeah, just do the, instead of doctor, you just do the analysis with the institution only instead of, yeah. What is ICC? 50%, 50% nearly.
ICC.
Just come down. Where is it? Show me the results. You can estimate it. ICC model. Yeah. Just show me the results. This is, yeah, this is residual variance and intercept variance. So 59.59 and 0.58 or 0.59. It's a 50%, 50%. When you put the doctor's level, I remember we got 0.52. Now it is nearly 0.50. Not much of a difference. So when you look at the likelihood values, do you have likelihood? Yeah, likelihood is 406. The other one is 404. So not much of a difference. It looks to me mostly it is the effect is because of the institution, not by doctors. So if that is the case, it is easy to deal with the doctor's level and leave it like that by bringing in the higher level. There is one way of doing it. Okay. It tells us that we need to some extent, look at the higher levels and see what is happening. Do you agree with me? That is the data. Do you remember? Yeah, okay. And based on, I don't know if you, I would recommend the TWISC book, TWISC for multi-level modeling. Very easy to read book. They have used MLWin software. So it was written some time back, maybe 20 years ago. Based on the MLWin software interpretation, it is not doctors, it is because of institutions. There should be a small difference in the estimation values. They use different algorithms and things like that. I still remember the book interpretation is that it is because of institution, not the doctors. Okay. And what we have not done so far is we have not analyzed the covariate parts. We assume doctor. Supposing if you bring in covariates of the patients, that might influence a lot of the cholesterol and age relationship. So therefore, like for example, BMI. So therefore, to certain extent, we need to do multivariable analysis for the multi-level analysis regression. Do you understand what I'm saying? We are all along saying that the difference is because of the doctor treatment and so on and so forth. We forgot we have not touched the covariates of the patient. So that means if you bring in the risk factors for the patients, does it change the analysis? And that is the next one which we are going to do. Now, you have not done the institution level. You have done the institution level. We showed you the institution level and we discussed about it. And exactly same values we have got here. Therefore, we thought, let us not worry about the institution. We'll start with the doctor's level analysis.